Hi viewers. Today I'm going to make chili oil to cook with, drizzle on salads and even on your plate. It's really nice to have chili oil on the table because it adds such flavor and aroma to your food. Making chili oil is also a way of preserving your chili. Slice your chili thinly. Tap until the chili seeds rest at the bottom and remove them. Place your chili in a clear and airtight bottle and submerge in olive oil. It is important that the chili is always covered in oil. Otherwise it will grow mold. Always remember to replenish after you have used the oil. The final step is to add a bit of salt to preserve the chili. Keep your chili in a cool place. Do not refrigerate. After a few days the oil will absorb the flavor and color of chili and will be ready to use. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment.